Hi, and welcome to Nary's Laces. It's been a bit. Hope everybody's doing well. Okay, so the past couple of weeks I've been doing a little bit more dyeing on some of my fabrics because it's all white, so I'm trying to bring in some spring colors. I got a few requests to try to do some more dyeing, so here I am. I put a spring kit together. So this is what the kits would look like or how they would come. So I don't know if it's going to fit in here. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it has a little bit of fabric. It has actually two fabrics, and I'll show you in a minute. Some ribbons, some tassels. So I got a little bit of Easter in here. I got spring colors. I also got a little charm, not a charm, I just put together these little beads here that says praise, and of course a little crown with a cross. Okay, because for Easter Sunday. Okay, a little flower bouquet right there, and some ribbon and a tulle. Okay, so that's what it would come. It would come to you. I don't know. I don't think it'll fit in a priority padded envelope, so I might have to put it into another envelope. I just got to see. I know it's not going to fit, so it's probably going to one of those Maillard. I don't know what you call them, but they those envelopes, those big envelopes. Okay, I got this one here, which is basically the same. It's just the ribbon is different. And that's the tassel here. Okay, so let me show you what's inside. Okay, first we get these two. Okay, these two here, and this is more like a coral. It's coming out pink, but it's a coral color. And this one here, which is beige. Those two, and this one is inside of this one here. You can't see it in. Maybe you can. But it's inside. Okay. It keeps falling over. Let's see. Okay, and then we'll have, let's see, I put 2 yards of each. So I got 2 yards of this one here, and I made that into a lavender. I also have it in the yellow. I also have it in the pink. Pretty, pretty. And in the sage green. And then I have this one here, which it's weird because I was going through my storage boxes, and I found not this one, but I found, or maybe it is this one. Well, maybe not. I think it's another one. But I found that I have a lot of these, so I pulled them out and I started dyeing some. So you get this one here, really pretty. Okay, then you get these little flowers here. Okay, so there's 5 of each. So you got the 5 purple, and then you get 5 of the yellow. 5 of the yellow. And then I got these here, which is the small appliques. So I got that in lavender. And I also got it in yellow. Okay. This is what it looks like. The yellow. And then you remember the little white organza flowers? Okay, I have a lot of those, so I started dyeing them too, and they came out so pretty. So I got it in the lavender, and I did 6 of those, and then I did it in the yellow. I did 6 of those. Let me do some of the appliques. And then I did the sage. I'm trying to keep the pastel colors. Okay, so you get these here, and that I think there's 4. Yeah, there's 4 of these. And there's 4 of these. I like these. Oh, give me 1 second. My daughter's coming. Sorry about that. Frankie's asking me if I'm going to bed. It's what? Almost 10. And I'm usually upstairs by then, but I've been busy today. Okay, so you get these little butterflies, and I made them in the blue. Okay. And then I got these little mini floral appliques. I love these. Okay, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4 of these, and the butterflies, I believe it's 5. Yep, there's 5 butterflies, and you get 4 of these in the blue, like the sage. Okay, then you get 2 of these in the pink. Actually, let me tell you something about this pink and this one here. This is, well, it's a little bit darker than pink. Okay, and obviously this looks mauve, but I used the chocolate red, and this is the color that I got, which I thought was totally awesome. So, if you guys want to try it out, I mean, I don't know if it's going to work with all. Maybe it was just that box, but I need to try it again. But I have to wait to buy another box to see if it's going to come out this color, because check this out. So I got 2 of these. Okay. Look how awesome that is. Isn't that an awesome color? Using the chocolate. I mean, all I did, because what I do is I don't put a lot. I put a little bit in warm water or hot water, and I dump in the fabrics and I take them out right away. So this is the color. If I left it longer, it would probably have gotten a lot darker than this. But I love the color. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so you get 2 of those, and then I decided to do the butterflies, the different butterflies. Okay, look how pretty. Okay, so you get 5 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of those. Okay, and then I did the I'm saying it's blue, but it's teal. I keep saying blue. Okay, so you have 3 of these. Love this one also. Put that over there, and then this one here, which was one of my favorite appliques. Okay, I did that one, and you get 4 of these. So these are great colors for the little books. If you guys do journals with the little books, these are great colors to use. Okay, for now for the trims. Okay, so you get this one here. Okay, and it's beaded. So there's 2 yards. I'm gonna have to put this aside because it's not gonna fit on here. Okay, you get this one here in that sage green. My light's awfully bright. Okay, this is the only one that I didn't dye because I just needed to put something in there white. Okay, so this one here, they look like little miniature bows. So cute. Okay. This one here. At the last video, I did these in green, I believe. So I decided to make it in pink. Pretty, pretty. Okay, and I got this in that teal, which is awesome. Might be a little better if you iron it just a little bit. Okay, got that one there. Another cool one is this one here. Okay, in that blue. Okay, this one here also went into that chocolate. Look how pretty that is. So there's 2 yards of all the trims. Okay, and you get this one here. Which is the same as this one here and the purple. Okay, you get this one here, which is the stars, but they look great in the green, I think. Or in that sage green, whatever color you want to call this. Lime green. Okay, and you get this one here, like a mauve color. Also was dumped in the chocolate red. Pretty, pretty. Okay, and then you get this one here. It's pretty. It's like the lattice. Okay. And then you get the purple. I think these are great colors for the spring. Okay, then I made a little, how do you call it, a little bouquet of different flowers. You get that too. You get the ribbon that goes around, and this 2 yards, and then this one here that goes over, which is, how do you call it? There we go. See, and it's all, and then you get the ribbon. Okay? And then you get the little tassel. Okay. And I think this is a yard. I didn't make these 2 yard. It wouldn't look nice in 2 yards. And there you go. Praise. And you get the little cross with the crown. And this is what I decided to put together. So I'm going to put, I only have a few. Okay, I only have a few. So I'm going to put it down in the description box. All my information will be there. And I will see you in my next video. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.